Hello students, today we are going to make bird out of colorful paper. Little thick paper you require, little thick colorful papers. See, I am using these colorful papers and other basic material which is Fevicol, scissor, rounder, etc. Okay, so let's start. Here we required 5 cm radius 2 circles and 2.5 centimeter radius of one circle for head, 2 eyes, and it's big, and for tail you can use colorful paper or you can use same color paper, same yellow, or you can make orange tail. Okay, so let's start. Here you have to join these two circles together. Then fold it in unequal part. See students, one is big and one is small. One you keep separate. And then here on this we have to draw lines which are going in my right hand side. Same way you will draw this line, because this wing we are going to stick, so exactly opposite side, means from here we will start, it will go to left side. Symmetrical wing we want, so see, when it will join it will come symmetrical. So this way we will cut our lines, cut in straight. Okay, same way this wing also will keep ready. We will stick. Keep all material ready with you so that easily you can. Okay, now we have to turn its wing exactly in symmetrical shape. See here, these wings I will turn like this. Take help of pen and turn it. Turn it. All we will turn this way. Same, we will turn this. Just take help of pen and turn towards you. Uneven turns will do. It will look natural. Okay students, so this is our body part ready. Okay, keep it one side. We will turn to head making. Okay, now for head making, see here I did small zigzag line to show its feathers up. You can make it like this. Then two small ovals for eyes we are doing, and in the middle of those oval you can make one more small oval. Okay, I kept little white inside. It looks very natural. Okay, so both the side, this side is done. Now turn it. Done on the both. Now we have to do sticking part. See here, orange color big is also ready. Okay, you can take any size. If you want long, big, you can make long any shape. Here I am going to stick one eye, and one eye I will stick in back, exactly behind this. Okay, now exactly behind this another one there. Okay, so our hair is ready. Okay, now here we are going to stick it. Hair we will stick here. Little part will be overlapped. Okay, then you have to stick this, but while sticking you have to stick it only in upper portion. Before that we will make its tail. You can take orange, I am taking yellow only. Okay, cut it straight lines, alternate lines you will bend up and down. Okay, and it will go here up, in up direction, like this. If you want, you can make any other shape for tail. Okay, then we require more Fevicol. Fevicol, and now very carefully you will see we are just sticking it upper portion. Okay, here we want open, so this part we will stick only in upper portion. Okay, here, so that your below this side will be open, and now you can stick its legs in orange color. Will do. One is here, one half circle we will stick here, and one half circle we are going to stick here, this side. So very simple, our bird is ready. This below portion you will open little like this, and see your bird is ready. Like this you can make colorful birds. Okay, so did students, you can make different color.